friends. We are here together this morning, over a cup of coffee, because I wanted to say a big thank you to all of you who subscribe to my channel. It's such a great feeling to see a new subscriber appearing in my horizon. I am a naval architect and an engineer, and so when it comes to YouTube videos I appreciate instructions that are to the point with no unwanted embellishments, which sometimes confuse the issue. I try to follow this rule as much as circumstances permit. Over the years I found that there is a wonderful solace in tinkering with woodworking, and my channel features a few videos in that direction. I live in southeast England, and here buying a house means one has to get into a chain. This means that those who want to buy your house must wait until you have a house to move into, but it also means that you must wait until those whose house you want to buy have found their own new home. This process can be long and frustrating, and in my case it has taken over a year to close the book on this endeavor. Now we hope we are nearing the end of this road, and by February 2022 I ought to have re-established my small workshop. This will give me the opportunity to dedicate, again, some of my time to woodworking and to producing some videos of general interest. From time to time I do venture into a video, or two, that deal with naval architecture or some matters of general interest. Mine is a friendly and easygoing channel, and so I do appreciate it when you make contact and offer a comment. After all, this is the fun part of life, I mean the being together in some form or another. In the meantime, let's listen to the music and finish our coffee. We shall be together again before you know it, so do keep in touch, and I promise to respond fast.